Okay, we're getting started. I made the perfect entry point using intraoperative imaging anatomic technique. And then I put the skinny little dilator and dilated it up, and that's the cannula. Here's the endoscope. That's the working channel. And I'm going to be looking all up there. And look at that. I went into the disc way back here, but look at that little blue dye. And remember, your annular tear is almost in the middle. And look how cool that is. It makes perfect sense. So I'm just gooting the dural tube where all the nerves live. It's inside all that red fatty stuff. Look at that. You can kind of see it all torn up right there. Lots of inflammation. And look at this annular tear and the nucleus trapped inside it. I bet you that's going to ooze out like a pimple as soon as I open up this exit point. It already wants to. It's going to be oddly gratifying. Laser. The laser is so much easier than a Kerrison rongeur. I feel like a contortionist. That's the laser on the ligamentum flavum. I don't know if it looks yellow to you, but it really is yellow. Look at that thing wanting to fly out. I'm not even pulling on it. Look at this, wanting to come out. Come here, baby. Look at that, it's trapped right inside the annulus right there. So cute. All right, there's the dural tube, that white thing right there. Going across, see that? There's got some blood vessels. I mean, it's not the bare, naked dural tube, but I'm going to get underneath there with a downgoing pusher. I'm going to push the back of the disc, and hopefully that'll be like a pimple popping maneuver. Okay, so this is one of many custom tools. Look at how it articulates up. So I'm going to get underneath there. Okay, I'm on the back of the disc. I'm both releasing all the dural tube and pushing down on it. I'll probably start bleeding like crazy, but you know what my mom always said, spine surgery would be so much easier without blood vessels and nerves, so you just got to deal with it. Look at that. That feels good. Come flying out of there. Oh, that feels good. Okay. I got the laser now. That's the disc. I'm right next to the nerve, so that's what the laser is beautiful for. That red laser is not the actual working laser. That's just the visual laser, like you get on your pen, so that I know exactly where I'm lasering. The actual YAG holmium laser that actually does everything, you can't see with the naked eye. But by having that pointing laser, I know exactly where I'm going to laser without actually starting the laser yet. So it's unbelievably precise. And I can work right next to the nerve, and it's fun, and I can say laser. Okay, I'm all done. Check this out. So there's the dural tube. It's got a layer of tissue, but you can see how white it is. Look at all those blood vessels. Sometimes you can see it pulsating. It's not pulsating that much, but it's... There it is. Oh, yes. So I have to angle all the way medially, and if you look at the x-ray, look at that little ball tip. It goes all the way to the right side. This is exactly why we did it this way, so I can reach the right side easier as well as the left side. This is all the left side. Look how good that looks. Yep. Ligamentum flavum, dural tube intact, no spinal fluid leaks. I don't even like saying that word, but you gotta check. Now a little facet rhizotomy, and then 2 band-aids, a snap and a twist. All right, surgery's all done. It went beautifully. I found everything through that little poke hole. And now for the band-aid part, my favorite part. Maybe because it means I get to be done. I was going to say go home, but I have another case, but still. You know what I mean. Flesh colored like nothing ever happened. It's adorable, and you have a really nice back too. So, best wishes on a speedy recovery, right guys?